Hello mga kabaka! Welcome back to another episode for our how-to segment where we try to answer your frequently asked questions in a simpler manner. So for today's video, we're gonna be answering kung paano nga ba malaman kung buntis ang inyong mga baka. Well, actually, marami pong ways yan. Pero ang two most common ways ay through manual palpation and through the use of the reproductive ultrasound. Katulad ng ginagawa ng team namin sa likod. So first, in manual palpation, so you rely on your skill and your experience to know whether or not kung pregnant or hindi yung baka. In the reproductive ultrasound, ang difference nito is you could actually see sa scanner kung ano yung nasa loob ng baka. So, first is you could detect pregnancies as early as 28 days. So, makikita mo if mayroong fetus sa loob. Second, you will be able to see kung ano yung fetal sex, if it's male or female, yung calf, within the 55 to 80 day period. Third, you'll be able to see its fetal age. So, kung 90 days ba to, 5 months, kung ano man yan. Next is you'll be able to see if merong reproductive abnormality yung baka. So, na hindi mo usually malalaman through manual palpation kung meron silang follicular cyst or if meron silang luteal cyst, pyometra, endometritis, so all those things. And lastly, how does this benefit you mga kabaka? First, if malaman mo na buntis yung baka mo as early as 28 days, you'll get to plan ahead. Like in terms of your calving, sa pakain, like sino yung mas bibigyan natin ng extra care, di ba? Especially, yun yung critical months ng pagbubuntis ng baka. I think the first trimester. Second, pag malaman mo na yung fetal sex or yung fetal age as early as you can, in terms of management, mas madali rin to. Alam mo na kung meron kang replacement females or ibebenta mo siya in the future, di ba? And third, if may reproductive abnormality, malalaman mo yung reason kung bakit hindi nabubuntis yung baka mo. Because you may think that they're pregnant or maybe yung decision mo would be to cull them thinking that they don't produce calves yearly. Pero yung pala, kayang i-treat yung reproductive abnormality. So, I guess that's like the main difference between the use of the reproductive ultrasound versus manual palpation. So, go check it out, mga kabako, kung anong ginagawa ng team. Come on!